Holywell Park, a place we thought we already knew, but after Hurricane Melissa, the forest changed. On this trip, we didn't just come back to explore. We discovered a brand new camping trail hidden in Holywell Park that I knew nothing about. A trail that led us to a mini river, cold mountain air, and one of the coldest nights we've ever spent out here. Heavy winds, freezing temperatures, and nothing but nature around us. We set up camp, fired up some jerk food in the wild, and experienced Holywell in a way few people ever do. This is not just a vlog, this is survival, discovery, and real Jamaican adventure. Welcome back to Holywell. Before the video starts, I just want to take a moment to say Happy New Year to every single one of you. Thank you for watching, subscribing, commenting, and supporting the journey. Whether you've been here from day one or you just find the channel. This new year, we're going harder, more adventures, more real stories, more of Jamaica, and more moments that matters. May this year bring you strength, good health, blessings, and new opportunities. From my family to yours. Happy New Year, and thank you for being a part of this journey. What's going on, everybody? YowNoel here again, back on another video. So today I am here once more in Blue Mountains, and I'm heading back to Holywell National Park to do one thing, to do two things: conquer the trails and make it to the waterfalls. But before we head on the journey, we have made a stop here at the Middleton Coffee Bar. So the last time I was here when the road was under construction, when the landslide happened, I stopped and talked to a guy, and it turns out this is his bar, this is his spot. So I'm saying, alright, next time I come up here when the road fixed, I have to make a stop at him bar and come support him thing. So now we're gonna see what I'm going right here. So this is his place right here. Middleton Coffee Bar. Nice place. Here it is. I can support him thing anytime I come up here. Anyhow, this is it right here. Looking good. It's a nice spot, people. I say when you come up here, I gonna stop. Tell him say YowNoel say no. Yeah, tell him say YowNoel say no. Claude!
Yeah.
What's going on?
My style, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man.
You say you buy a coffee, yeah, so look what I go on.
Just a look what I go on. I take in the nice coffee aroma, yeah?
Smell nice though. I'm gonna try it.
You try it?
Yeah. I know so me, I'm not a coffee person, but I come support the thing and try it. So we'll get started. Alright. Yeah, my boss.
Yeah, man, how you doing?
One Blue Mountain coffee, please. Alright. So this is it. This is the decor of everything. Nice, calm, antique, everything. And up here is chilly. Oh, this is also the beauty, one of the beauty of it. You have a seating area around this side, and then you get this view. This amazing view, you know. Also, Castleton is right up there, not far away from this bar. So it's a nice exploration. Nice. Oh, the next thing is we have a coffee farm right in the back of the bar. All these trees right here are plants right here is coffee plant. Yes. So this is what the space looks like. Everything coffee orientated. Yeah. And tell us so the breeze pass through and blow down the thing, them fix it back here quick. And this is our next seating area down here. And up here is very quiet. Very quiet. And look at this, it is almost like a tree house. Here we have a pine tree, a massive pine tree holding up a piece of the structure. And the bathroom is right here. Let I show you guys the bathroom. So you have a pipe here where you can wash your hand. Free of cost. Even if you're not supporting the bar or buying anything, you can always come here, wash your hand, and you're good to go. Bathroom is clean. I just use the bathroom myself. Here it is. All natural, everything. Around this side is the female side, you know, or the number 2 side. Here it is. And over here, look at that. You even get pad. As which bathroom you tell me something. Which bathroom you can go to and there's pad provided. Look at that. There's pad provided. You see? You really think about everybody. There's a mirror right here. Yeah. And look at that, he already have tourists here, you know, 2 months after the hurricane, and there's tourists here visiting already. So that is what I love to see. Anyways, I'm going to see if the coffee is ready and think. Yo, I'm not lie people, the coffee smells good. The coffee smells really, really good. Yo, underneath to come here and try Meditan coffee. Yeah. Oh, yes, I did. Nice. So this one is which one?
Coffee.
And this is hot chocolate.
Marshmallow.
With marshmallow. Alright. Mad. Long time I don't drink coffee, you know. Long time I don't drink coffee. So let's see.
So convert it in US, so much you.
Super, man. Nice. People, this is one of the best coffee I've drank in a long while. It's nice. Blue Mountain coffee, the best in the world. Alright people, so we're gonna see if we can talk to him for a bit, and then we'll head on and then we'll continue on the journey.
What we do?
Yes sir, bag juice.
Yeah man, 1 bag juice man.
Alright, this is your place right here, sir, right?
Yes man, definitely.
Alright, so if you give me tell me a little bit about it and give me a little walkthrough.
You mean walk through the place?
Yeah.
Alright, well this place was founded in 2022.
Yeah.
Yeah, all because of growing up in a coffee business. And my father bring me in a coffee business because me grew up around my father.
Yeah.
And my father was a coffee man in the area who deal with coffee for the government. Most of the big farm in the Blue Mountain.
Yeah.
My father deal with it. So you know the only thing I know do in my life is coffee.
Right.
Right, so growing up, I also start buy coffee for a company too. But I sell them my coffee. But you know what, we kind of get underpaid as farmers still. So over the year, I always want to look about my own coffee. Until one day
Right.
they here, meet 2 people from Paris in France.
Yeah.
They told me that they come here and they was looking around the place and they said they like the place and they was looking at the coffee chairs and they said they asked me who it was and I tell them it was my own and they said if I didn't have any to sell them, I tell them that no, I don't do it that way. I said it to the company and I said how can I have this coffee and don't look about it for myself. They said I should build a cafe. I tell them that based upon certain kind of financial background, we don't really have it right now for deal, but I like the idea. But by growing up and going on, one day come to me say, soon as I have a little thing, I could put it aside to really do this, you know?
Yeah.
So that is our start out in 2022 and
Right.
You see me I say? So, yeah man,
That
I'm a
is
little
it.
coffee shop.
And the place look nice.
Thank you
Love
very
it,
much,
man. Look nice, man.
Yeah man, everybody will come here tell me, so, and then tell me say one of the best coffee they ever drink too.
Yeah.
As you were supposed to know.
Right.
Yeah man, so
Big up
man, I
yourself,
can
Bag
respect and
Juice.
thanks. Yes man.
Alright.
Definitely.
People, make sure say if you now come up here and see right, even if you never never remember. From when you see that sign here, you know say
Our
right
Bag
here,
Juice place
so.
on the reach. Best coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah man, best coffee.
Right.
From the farm to the cup, you see the place building at the farm. So when you come, in at the farm, you sit down and
Yeah,
drink
man. Me that show them the farm right down there, so.
Yeah man, but see farm they are front just so in at the farm there.
Alright,
drink
right
coffee.
in the farm.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
First hand experience, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you don't know me, that little character we can give you 2 jokes for your laugh off at the same time. So you just come and enjoy yourself whenever you feel a little bit down or anything there. You don't have to feel down for feel. Even if you feel upbeat, me can raise the temperature a little more, you know?
Right.
So yeah man, so one bag juice.
Alright, man. See that again.
Yeah man, respect.
Yeah.
See?
Alright, so we are here at, where's the name again?
Newcastle.
Newcastle. I didn't know that, you know, just that through my brain all over the place just now. I'm excited. Yeah. So we are here. I don't know Claude behind the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raj. And Raj is over there, sir. And yeah. This is just a quick stop though. We're gonna proceed again once more. But you know, this is a cool photo. Tell me in the comment section, it's a cool photo? Give them an angle, guys. Give them an angle.
Yeah.
Alright, man. So we're gonna proceed now, people. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, me had the fruits, you see me?
What you say, obviously now?
Yeah man, this is the natural, this is a ghost rider, you know?
Ghost Rider.
Yeah man, real and for real.
Bad.
Yeah, man,
You know, I
man,
always
so-
see you.
Yeah.
I know so long time up here in the camera, I always see you.
Yeah man, that's why me work with the soldier them man.
Right.
When me run out the fruits with the soldier them man.
That is it. So you know,
And
so
you come around and you want anything for, like jelly coconut,
yeah.
enough little stuff. Fruits from the farm. I mean organic from the farm.
Fresh from the farm.
Fresh from the farm.
Yeah.
This is how me deal with me things them. And this banana here, this is a green banana.
Yeah.
And when you look on this banana, I don't add anything at all to this.
Yeah.
And just nature
Right.
change the
As
color
I can see,
till it becomes yellow.
the hand them, the finger them fat.
Fat.
Yeah.
Fill to cut.
Right.
Cut to fit.
Yeah.
Fit to cut. And then it becomes change. And this one show you that it's ripened.
Yeah.
So when everything's ripe, everything becomes yellow.
Alright,
And
Ghost
when it's
Rider.
yellow,
Yeah.
you sold them to the guys. Some guys would say, I want to cake it myself and try it.
Carry it home for make it right.
Yeah. So I just give him the opportunity to do his part.
Yeah.
And then here now, do my little thing, see and where. As usual, everybody know, because we're there on the thing, big on the internet, where you find me up on the Prime Minister page. Yeah, man, out there, some of them, man.
Right.
My thing, normal, you know. Yeah, man, them thing I deal with, you know.
We see it here.
Man,
Oh
real thing,
my.
you know? Me turn
See
my
it here,
back and
people.
give that and front to you and side you and me give that because you're not going to find this now that else
See
weird.
it there?
This is the
Coffee.
This is the real thing, is it?
Yeah, look on the beans them. People, this is what you're buying at the supermarket for enough money.
Yeah.
So if you not pass up here, so Newcastle, if you don't see him, stop and give him a support. You know, everything goes a long way. I'm
And
always
this a come
out
through
here.
And work.
You're right.
And work. No machine.
No machine.
No machine.
Yeah.
And work.
Right.
And no machine can do no work better than hand.
Yeah.
Without the hand coming here in the machine, it can't be purified.
Alright. I say your name Ghost Rider.
A ghost rider, man.
Mad.
But
So
I'm
see.
Martin and Mr. Dennis. The right name is Mr. Dennis. Is it?
Alright, Mr. Dennis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So we're there at Newcastle. So once in our pass here, so and so Mr. Dennis, hail him up, I come support him thing.
Yeah,
You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man. For real, man. And that's right there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's alright.
Alright, we have made it to the park, Holywell National Park. But one thing, people, the place cool, the breeze are blow hard, and the mist is coming in. You never know Jamaica could have feel so cool. Yo, oh man. Anyways, we have made it to the park, and I'm going to get straight to hiking because time is against us. And you know the trail usually take a little while and thing. So Claude, you ready for it?
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna proceed to the inside now. people, this is what I'm talking about. If people with rear-wheel drive vehicle only, this will be a challenge to you. Because right now I am stuck. There's no traction right here. Oh, it's in a park now, but there's no traction right here, people. So I have to make Claude push the van. Claude, I lose traction. So you have to give me a push. Yeah. Eh? Yeah, so them gone. That's how we are parked. That's what I said. I don't know if we can make it go on. They can try still. But my van can't reach out there, so I'm just, oh, yes, sir. A good thing there, because we're stuck right there, so I block the part. Alright people, so this is the furthest my vehicle can reach. This is the furthest. So now we have to unpack our stuff and bring it up that trail. And bring it up that trail to the campsite. But I'm not going to do any unpacking right now. I am going to jump right onto the trails and try to conquer it. So we will set up camp and everything afterwards. Yeah, because time is against us. It's almost 5 o'clock and up here get dark really quick. People, I tell Claude say film vehicle cannot manage up here. So I say, alright, I say I'm good man. And there it is. I him that I come back down. Him that I come back down. How are you going, Claude? How are you going? You don't say you're good?
Good, you know. I thought I was, but let's say I struggle looking, you know?
Yeah, man, this is a different level.
Yeah, I'm over the side of the state. Can I move? Over.
Alright, people, so this is where the trail begins. So I'm going to do a timer starting now and then stop it when I finish the trail. I need to know how long the trail takes, especially in this current condition. So yeah, this is where it begins. This is where the adventure, the real adventure begins. So wish me luck from this early on. Wish me luck from this early on in the comment section. Hope I can finish it. And I hope we don't get stuck. So it's going to be me and Claude. Claude, well, Claude not reach me yet, but he might come soon, he might come. Yes sir, Claude, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, now but I'm checking out the thing, you know.
No, man.
Alright, so I try to do it as quick as possible because the place I get dark. As the place dark, we can't show the beauty of the place.
Ready.
So we're active and outside.
Yeah.
So yeah man, Claude, I not like the place cold, you don't feel cold?
Let me know some shorts for you know.
Claude, I don't know why Claude come in a shorts. Shorts, Claude, you know, and Crocs.
Yeah.
Sorry for him. Anyhow, people, look how the place is beautiful. Lovely scenery.
What's my next thing, sir?
Yeah. Nothing but trees and trees and nature and birds. Alright people, so for each roadblock we encounter, I am going to roll the camera and show you know what it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, I'm already out of breath. What time, Claude? 5:03. Right now it is 5:03. So by the time I finish the trail it's probably dark. I'm not sure. As I can see, it already get really dark. I'll have to try reach a waterfall as well. Ooh, pretty good. Alright, this is the first roadblock of the day. This is where, if anybody remember, the last time I was here, this is where I had to turn back because we can't cross right here, so we have to climb up and go on We can see right here where somebody attempt for cross right there. So look at them successful. Come, you can see a part of ground. So that one for the crowd. Yeah. So now we can record me. So I go over first and then pick out my gloves. You want my gloves them?
Yeah. No, I'm good, man. Go on.
Alright.
You know how long that trailer be?
No, I'm gonna show you now. We're gonna find out today. Hey man, people. So I'm come prepared today. This time I have gloves. I may have company this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I tell you part I'm saying about it too risky.
Way too risky.
Yeah.
That side. Remember one YowNoel, you know, never few, you know.
Yeah. Reach up. Throw the phone.
Ready?
Yeah, throw it. Alright, your turn, Claude. What you do?
Take a risky road.
Risky road? Alright.
You see, I show them how I'm going.
Mm-hmm.
In life, you have to take risk, you know?
Mind you cut here, you have glasses?
No. Hey, one mistake and I hit that, you know?
Yeah. Now come on. Oh. Alright, I you that man. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Mud. Alright. The first major obstacle has been crossed. Let's see how much further we can make it. No matter which obstacle we encounter, we have to finish that trailer card. Yeah. And people, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video and thing. Also remember to like the video if you're enjoying these type of content, especially nature scenery. Wait, what crowd there? I put the cocks in sport mode.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sport mode never activates, you know?
Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna cut. And cut until we reach another thing.
Try to do this quick, you know?
Yeah, we have to try finish. We have to try to finish a trail here as quick as possible. Look on that.
Wow.
Kingston.
You can see all of the
City lights.
glass.
I turn on back. Yeah.
To the sun. They look nice.
Yeah. People, whether you're old or young, you need to take on this trail. You need to come and visit. I know the trail nice when it have the obstacles. Yeah. All right. Right here, you have to do this to cross it. Yeah. Yeah, the trail is nice. I am enjoying the trail, people. I challenge you, if you're watching from Jamaica or abroad, are you planning to come to Jamaica anytime soon? Or if you're in Jamaica, I challenge you to hike this trail and finish it. I forgot to say once more, we are in Holywell National Park in Blue Mountains, Jamaica. You can see right here where this was blocking the route and they cleared it. Where's the crowd? Have to move faster? Yeah. Alright, no problem. I use the one too, man. I'm here. Hold on. Alright people, so we have to put some pep in our step and move faster. Claude, are you cool up, sir?
Cool, mama.
Yo, people, aroundness of the breeze are blowing heavy and cool and nice. It's nice, man. Alright people, so the trail, we have conquered the trail. It wasn't that bad, dog lad.
Yeah, never, sir.
Never so bad. It was fun though, it was very fun.
Yeah, it was fun. To be honest, honestly, it was fun. But
It's hard at the same time, but it's fun. People,
Yes,
it took us 21 minutes to finish the trail.
Woo.
Usually it's a 30-minute hike, but we kind of put some pep in our step and walk faster and things. So 30-minute hike,
not bad.
and it's lovely. You know, I can always sit and take a break.
Yes.
But you know, we hardcore already, so we'll go through quick and fast.
Quick one, two.
Yeah. And it's still, we still have some daylight out. Why somebody that try to drive up right there, sir? So the next stop is the waterfall. So we're gonna walk this way, go back home. Sorry, go back home and take you guys on that journey. But for now, we're going to detour and head to the waterfall. There is a sign to waterfall to ranger station. So
I wish that was the rain.
oh wait, the waterfall right there's a cloud.
Oh.
Yeah, so right at the end of the trail, the waterfall is there. So there's a token, the waterfall. So as I finish the trail, the waterfall is right there. You can relax, you can cool down and wash off and all them things there. Alright. One more sign. Waterfall. So you cannot miss it. Cannot miss the waterfall. Yo. Yo, Clan, up here cold still, you know? Oh, we got beard. I rather say we have to come beard, you know? Look at it over there. A nice, small waterfall. And the good part is when they come here, there won't be much people here. There won't be anybody here to disturb you. So you can get naked and bathe around here. Alright, so we have made it once more. The waterfall. Drop a like because I have made it to the waterfall, people. I think that deserves a like. So please drop a like. And let me know in the comment section if you would bathe around here fully naked. You would do it, for sure. Yeah. So I'm gonna wet up my hand a bit and then wash my face. And then we'll get back going before the place gets dark. So, yeah. Whoa, yo, the water cool. The water cool. This can't be it, you know. Woo. Woo. Water cool, Clark, come try it.
Alright.
Yeah, man, the water cool. Yeah, ice water.
No man. This mud is wet up in that.
Yeah. I didn't want to do it today, but I'm not about that. But then I got some get wet up under the falls, but I change my mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so I get going now.
Ready, Claude?
Yeah.
So now, we're going to walk from the waterfalls back to the campsite. You know, I'm going to time that as well. I'm going to start the timer now.
A pure oxygen you get up a side.
Yeah, but the oxygen actually more thin. Let them say?
Yeah.
More thin up here, so
The higher you go.
yeah, so up here, up here actually have less oxygen. People in the comment section, let me know. When you're high up in altitude, you get less oxygen or more?
I think you get less.
Less?
But I think probably when you're there on so many
Trees
trees, yeah.
is more right here, so
Yeah.
okay.
Now remember the trees them do oxygen.
Yeah, makes sense. So people can actually drive around here, but you definitely need an off-road vehicle. I wonder how far the road leads to when you drive, because I realize it go on more. We need to find out one day. Yeah, we need an ATV for come here, so. And yo, if anybody watching from ATL, Toyota Jamaica, KIG, GWM, hook us up with an off-road vehicle. Please. We have so much to explore. And we can showcase the vehicle. Because them terrain are rough. You know? Yeah man, link up. Hook up. Give her 1 day or 2 day use for one on the vehicle. This is the perfect road for use it on. And then the next thing, if anybody in Jamaica watching and you have an ATV, let me know too, no? Or even one.
Yeah.
I could come use it up here, so give it a use.
Give it a use.
Yeah, give it a 1 day use. Forward with it. You there with it. Give it a use. I could explore the trails and have some fun until we can afford to buy our own. Because in due time, that is the aim. Yeah. Link up. People, look at this real quick. There's no water here except right there. That's a puddle. That's a muddy puddle. But listen right here now. There's a heavy source of water pouring out underneath here. Yo, God.
Yeah?
This is why I love Jamaica, you know, and the mountains, you know.
Yeah.
Whole heap of natural spring there here.
Very resourceful, you know?
Very resourceful. My job. Very resourceful. Can look at that. Water everywhere. Wish we could have, say if it more better,
Yeah.
I'll try to find it, but it look kind of sketchy if we
Yeah.
kind of dig it up, you know.
Can't see say berry on all of them here.
Yeah.
But
Water is a pour. Blessings.
you can hear it, isn't
A
it?
pour like a river.
Yeah.
Hold on there.
No, didn't say can see say from right to see it there.
Yeah. Can see a tree they drop down right there, sir. And block the path. Couple tree. Yeah. It took us 40 minutes from the waterfall sign to the entrance.
Yeah.
And there's one more trail. Tomorrow settings that.
Yes,
Tomorrow
sir.
settings we'll do the last trail. And yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head back to the campsite. We're gonna head back to the campsite and then set up camp and start shell some food and call it a night.
Them say you have to start the fire too, so we can roll the kebab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take them on a journey there. So people, the video is not yet finished.
Stay tuned.
The video is not finished until tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are camping over as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Here is one more view of Kingston Harbour. This is how big it is. Yeah. We are back at the campsite. Yeah. Yeah, and the breeze are there bad. My finger.
Oh, you have to roll it hard. Oh, you can pull it, it would have just go in by itself.
People, we have now gathered some wood to make some fire. This is what we managed to gather. Clad, hold on, good Clad. Wait, what are you doing, sir? Oh. Yeah, now what kind of light this you have? Look how the thing is shining in the sky. Alright, so right now we're gonna set up campfire so we can cook. Alright people, so this is what I have done to bring fire from here to our spot. So a group of people was here before us earlier in the day, and we told them not to out this because we're going to put it to use. So yeah, people don't mind me and how I talk. Right now my nose is running water. Yeah. Alright, so we don't have to even blow up on it because the wind is already giving it enough oxygen.
Yo, cool, I know. No, I wear the gloves them the way you did have.
Roger.
Roger!
But in the time,
Wear gloves them they were nowhere gear. But where them there? What are this? Yeah man, it not work.
You think it need more fire? Claude, you're cold up on me, Claude.
Boy, I'm not business, no shame, no night, you know.
Watch everybody. Watch it.
I said, you're cold on this stuff.
And me alone have the same thing from today. Right now, I can take off my shirt.
Wanna take it off, no?
Alright, so this is what we have on tonight's menu. We have shrimp, we have bad dog, regular sachets, bread, burger, and what else? We have nothing more.
No, the kebab stick.
And we have oil. The oil, look at this. Oil freeze up.
By the time I throw that in my pot, it's sizzling, man.
Yeah.
Sizzling my nasal, my basil. And we next. Oh.
Alright. This is what we are up to right now. Chicken Caesar and coconut oil and the sachets.
Yo, this is a cool up quick. Coconut oil, cool up quick.
Look how everybody cool.
It's food in the equation, I can't cool up. Oh man, I don't want to go in the galactic and turn on. Woo! Yes man. No, the oil is
I'll freeze up already. Look at that. I'll freeze already.
You think a joke? Well, I have one car right so.
Oh, you got roast that?
Yeah.
Alright.
So right now, I don't know.
We're gonna make a wrap right here. So we'll have sachets, bad dog sachets, shrimp, and we're gonna add burger to it. Anything else can add to it? Oi! Take out this there.
What's the man about burn down the place? Out the fire.
Out the fire? What you tell me, sir?
Which part do you lie down right here, sir?
Yo!
Other side.
How is this nice, sir?
Is it nice?
Glad. You something yet?
No.
Nice effort.
Season me, I try.
Oi!
No,
Huh?
16 degrees, you know.
16?
Yeah.
16 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Glad, what you do, Glad?
That's for overlap so it can hotter.
Glad, I don't know why you burn the thing, say, no? Alright.
Yeah, you want this session?
I don't want the 4 box.
Oh.
Claude, you have to move faster than a Claude, cause right now the pot ready for cook up, you know. The pot ready for bubble, it a wait. So we're finished with the appetizer now. This is the main course. Claude, add some seasoning, Claude.
Look more.
Yeah.
Good night from UK.
Ah. Aight, man.
No, you do some bigger slice now.
Hold on now.
Like slice it down in the middle and slice it down again.
You need to make it
It
needs to serve. You need to conserve right now.
Your idea.
And then the little one.
See that? We just add more and more to the pot. It must nice.
I'll chop in the curry next.
The curry next, yeah. What the curry there? People, by the time we're done, we make a new thing can sell it outside.
Around belly for years.
Also,
If it are tear, then take out some.
no, I chew it tough. See, it tough, the fat.
Tough.
Yeah,
Look
so
at Isla
it
for going there.
pour- Yeah, the island
Noel.
for going there.
Noel, the box said. Noel, where you going?
Hold on there. Put on the oil. Put on the oil.
Noel, abandon it with that.
Alright, so right now, this is the next step. Alright, so this is the final stage of the cooking process.
You see your onion bad night and you shouldn't put no onion in it.
Noel.
Yeah? Hold on, Claude.
Noel.
Check time now.
No, man, Noel. You're not.
Oh no,
Check time, man.
Adapt me, I say.
Put a bit over the pot.
Man, put a little bit of food
You
there.
can't make it
We
over
Yeah.
the pot, Claude.
Hold on, I'm taking it. Alright, so okay, you seen me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna play imposter. Yeah, show us. No, okay. We should have met the people and figure out what imposter.
This is the word I got.
Yeah, but this is the word I got.
That is the word I got.
The next? This is the word. Alright, start game. Alright. Alright, me. Ready? Who wants to start? Alright. Samsung. Alright. Me?
Yeah.
Old people.
News.
Youth?
News.
News?
Yeah.
Interesting. My ticket. No, continue. It can't go on. It can't go on. Keep watching. Go on. We know who. Go on. Patient music. Series. Alright. Bedroom.
Big back.
Alright, big back, go on. You want to vote now? You can vote?
Yeah.
Alright, you are the right or what imposter? You?
I can't
Wait, no, hold on. What do you think the word was? What do you think?
At first,
Yeah.
think of the mobile device, think of the phone.
Yeah.
I'm here you say,
Samsung.
No, but you threw him off because if you said the brand.
Yeah.
I'm here say shit, Samsung, they're all long time there. And then here now, I say news, but say shit.
Yeah, but that's why I said Samsung can chew off the imposter because I
Alright, the
think
word
oh,
was
a phone.
television.
That's
Come
it.
on,
Samsung
Yeah.
have the brand.
That man.
Alright people, so just out of the fire and it's now bedtime. I am cold as hell. Whew.
Are weak, easily broken, easily reshaped. Control.
Bedtime. Good morning, everybody. It's 7:02 right now, and I am just waking up. Yo, up here is cold. I never know that Jamaica could have get so cold. Up here cold and quiet. No breeze, just the birds them right now. Last night they were hectic. The breeze would have murdered away with the coolness. Anyways, this is the morning view. So this is where we camp. But not like people. I have to stay now this tent. Sorry. I have to stay at this cabin one day. It is a must. So Claude tent is up here. But up here still cold just as last night. Just that there's no wind blowing now. Yeah. And even though the temperature on the weather app said it is 18 degrees Celsius or 16 degrees Celsius, it definitely feels colder than that. No joke. Nah, like, I enjoy myself so far, especially last night. It was funny. Yeah. So, if you're not yet subscribed, please do so. If you want to see more content like this. Yeah. We survived the night. We survived the cold weather. So, give me a thumbs up. Like the video for that. And people, if you're in Jamaica and you're watching from Jamaica, or you plan to come to Jamaica this year, put this to your bucket list now. Pause the video, write it down in your phone, or save it in your brain. Add this to your bucket list. You need to come camping in Blue Mountain, in Holywell Park. Right now, you don't have no excuse. Just come. Yeah, all you need is a tent If you can't pay for a cabin, all you need is a tent. Right here is a campsite. Look. So a lot of campsite is here. So as I say, even right now the cabins aren't open right now. But pretty soon they will be back open to rent. If you can't pay for a cabin, you can always come camp. Less than $10,000 for a tent. Yeah. Just realize that this is our next hiking trail. So I'm gonna actually walk that one here by myself and see what it's still like. When I tell anybody something, I go still. I'm supposed to tell them, but I don't think that one here long. Stay on trail. Alright, no. I'm gonna actually tell them something, I'm gonna hike and see if they want to come. So, I never know about this trail. At first, I come down here, so I'm gonna bring somebody with me. Alright, so nobody's not coming. Them lame. Well, I never did ask Claude, but I know Claude not coming right now, so I'm gonna take on the trail by myself. You can tell so this follow. Right now, this is what I use to warm up my body. Yeah, stone ginger wine. It's nice. This is a sorrel flavor. Stone ginger wine. Yeah. So there's more trails than I thought, and that's why I'm so adventurous now. Cause look at that. Later I just did a walk, and I talked to Uno. I'm just walking in a random direction and go up on a random local road, I must say, and I talk to Uno. I realized that this is a trail. I mean, things that they just 2 trails. Oh yeah. And yeah, if you guys watch this video, you have 3 different trails to hike. So that's 3 challenges. And I need you guys to take on all 3 trails in the same day. Even if you don't hike overnight, even if you guys don't camp overnight, you have 3 different trails to take on in that one day. Yeah. Also, the next thing is, don't mind my morning face. It's soon going. So I come here and walk now and thing. The morning face soon go, people. So hoping they never laugh off of me. Hoping they never laugh off of me. But yeah. And people, there's a lot of streams and rivers up here. Or streams. Because right now I can hear water down in the valley flowing. So right now I wonder if this trail leads to it. I hope so, because that would be a new discovery to me. But let's see. I'm going to follow the trail to the end. Yeah. Alright, here is my very first obstacle. Which is not much of a challenge, but I said I would show you guys every challenge or obstacle. So that is it. This is the first one. Also, someone wrote their name here. It says T.R. Ross Tiki. Alright. Big up yourself. T.R. Ross Tiki. Yeah. Alright, first time seeing this one for me. So now, what tree is this? What tree is this? I have no idea. It grows berries or well, they may tough. So these are not berries, but it grows seed them like this and drop them. So tell me, what tree is this? Also, we are much closer to the stream. I can hear it much louder. So I have faith that this trail leads to it. Alright, so we are definitely on track because there's a sign. So the signs will tell you stay on trail. I think this prevents you from going that direction. So we should go here. Also, when the trail ends, there will be a sign that says end of trail. So you have nothing to worry about, thinking about going too far. Because there will be a sign to tell you this is the end of the trail. Yeah. Alright, so we have encountered a different species of plant here. Here it is. It looks beautiful. So for the plant lovers in the watching the video, if you have made it this far, what plant is this? Here's the leaf. It looks really good. First time I see this design. Yeah. I know some have a whole heap of elders watching. And I know uno plants. So you must can tell me. And I can always go up on Google, or chat GDP. Anyone. But you must educate me on this one. Right now where I'm at, there's no internet, no cell service. Yeah. Here's the next one. This one have a burgundy hue to it. Yeah. And down here so is wet. But anyhow, I have found the stream. I thought it would be much bigger based on how it sound, but it is small. Yeah. Not sure if this is the end of the trail because there's no sign to say end of trail. But I would take it that this is the end of the trail, people. Yep. But wait. This right here so look like it used to have a proper step down to the stream. So based on what I am seeing, it looks like because of the hurricane and the heavy flood waters, the river took away some of the banking or some of the road that we would use to step down. Yeah. But I am going down. I am definitely going down. Not right here though. Right here, look better. Alright. I have made it to the stream. I have discovered a new trail in my head. Of course it's not new, but to me it's a new trail. And it leads to a river. You can actually come down here and bathe if you feel like. I wonder if a waterfall they're close by. I could go through, hold on there. Now a lot of people may enjoy myself. This is my full enjoyment, you know. This is my full enjoyment to be out in nature like this. Yeah, there's less people and more nature. More untouched nature. So, I can see right here, you can see said the water do this. Yeah. And you know me, I wonder if there's gold up here. I wonder if me have a gold kit, but I try to look for some gold right there. So, yeah. When I go fast, then I go right there. So, all right. Now, I'm going to look for any signs of life in the water. There's nothing moving. No fish, no snail, no crawfish, no mosquito, no tadpoles, just the flow of water. That is not right. There should be at least something moving around. Maybe them see me and go into cover. I don't know. Yeah. Could be that. Alright people, so there's definitely life in this water. I just found one. There's a frog. Sorry, there's a crab here. Alright, I know say something must there, man, people. All I did have to do is just move a stone. Yeah. I didn't know, man. I know say something must get in the water, but it just a hide from me. Yeah. Alright people, I have made it back up. Whew. That wasn't easy. Whew. That wasn't easy at all, but I have made it back up. People, yeah man, coming back up was a challenge. I had to stop about 5 times to rest. That's the first time I've done that. So that one was a challenge. So be mindful of this one. It will take you a while to come back. Yeah. I reach back up enough. The tent is up there, but I see a different road, so now I'm walking this road. As I know, I came here to explore, so I want to see where this trail leads to. Oh, there's a cabin, sorry, there's a hut down there. So this road don't lead to a different, enter a different trail. This trail or road leads back to the square of Holywell Park, I assume. Oh, oh yeah. Here is another roadblock. You can either walk under or over, and I will be walking over. And then bam, you are at a hut, and you can actually cook here as well. Yeah, there's wood, firewood provided for you, and there's a special area to cook. There's a bin. Yeah, so all right, now cut. I'm going to cut to breakfast. No more recording until breakfast. Hey, Ufa ball is. Find some of the ball. If this is your ball, I now have it, and I will be keeping it. Jamaica, Jamaica. Yeah. All right. All right. From hiking up to Blue Mountain. Sorry, from coming to Blue Mountain on the first day. This is the first that I have stumbled upon some. Wait, what do you call this? Pine seed. Hope I have it correct. But yeah, this is the first. I'll bring it with me. God, how was the sleep?
Boy, I'm gonna tell you, I'm nearly dead. Be a cold breeze. Sheet I get teeth off of each other and be a thing charge it. Cold, man. I never not nah, man, but it's nice, you know?
Yeah.
Waking up to see the view.
Right.
Yeah, man. Really, really nice.
Yeah.
How are you going with that, sir?
I'll find them, yeah. I'll find the ball, yeah.
Try plant that?
No, I'm not planting it. I just pick it up. I don't know what I do with it yet. But yeah, I'll find a different trail down that way that lead down to a little water stream.
Down there,
Yeah, I might just come from.
Oh, it's closer than the waterfall?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I might just do. But yeah, man.
Now I got bed. On the river.
I get a try, yes.
The water, they come like ice right now.
Yeah. Alright, people, so it's tea time. Whoa. Hot.
Yeah.
Alright. Campsite is now clean. It is now as if we weren't here, which is how you should leave the campsite always. Alright, people, so that is a wrap for today's video. we are not going to get the chance to explore the next trail, the final trail. We have to leave that one next time because time flies fast and I got things to do. So I'm going to call it a wrap for today's video. So yes, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section. Would you camp out up here? You know, would you take on the trails? Let me know. When last I come to Blue Mountain, let me know all those stuff. So communicate with me in the comment section. I will be looking out for it. Yeah. So like the video if you enjoy the content. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And that's a wrap for today's video.